Hey guys, my name is Nathan Hahn. I heard that you guys are talking about nutrient flow, so hopefully I can try and explain to you what that is and explain why it's important in an ecosystem. So recently, scientists did a study, and they studied a migratory detrital-feeding fish, something that has a low trophic level. And they found that the loss of this species disrupted carbon flow in tropical rivers. So basically what that means is it influenced the carbon flow and ecosystem metabolism. So I drew something right here. So this fish, this migratory fish, feeds on detritus, and this fish feeds other organisms on the higher trophic levels. But with this species gone, or at a loss, when there's less of it, there'll be more detritus. So with a loss of this harvested species, there'll be greater flux, greater detritus, or greater carbon. And they found that losing this one species, something that seems insignificant because it's low on the trophic level, they found that it had a really big impact on ecosystem function, even in a species-rich ecosystem where maybe it might not be a big deal because it's just one organism out of hundreds. But they found that it did make a big impact. So one thing that they did, they took a river, or a stream, excuse me, and they split it in half, and they removed all the detrital-feeding fish from one side, and they kept the fish in the other side. And they found that over time, the side that did not have fish got cloudy and murky, and that was because of the increased particulate matter in the water from the excess detritus that was not being eaten by the harvested fish. So that just goes to show you that even though a species is small, even though a species is low on the food web, that it can still have a really big impact on diverse ecosystems. So hope that explained nutrient flow a little bit.